Step into an immersive learning environment with this uniquely structured course brought to you by PMIS, Project Management as a Service, where traditional instructor-led sessions are seamlessly blended with an innovative, interactive approach. Imagine diving into the world of project management not just through lectures and notes, but through a series of dynamic, situational conversations. These aren't your typical classroom discussions. They are carefully crafted role-playing scenarios that bring the complexities and nuances of integrating a project management office, PMO, into various facets of an organization to life. As you journey through each module, you'll find yourself engaged in realistic and thought-provoking dialogues, embodying different roles within a company. From navigating the challenges of aligning the PMO with diverse organizational departments to strategizing its integration with key business functions, these role-plays are designed to offer a hands-on experience. This method not only enhances your understanding of the theoretical aspects, but also sharpens your practical skills, ensuring that you're not just learning, but truly experiencing the world of project management. Get ready to be part of a course that doesn't just educate, but also captivates, drawing you into the very heart of effective PMO management.